And there is a fresh twist to the alleged attack on Mamata Banerjee. Eyewitnesses have countered Didi's claim of her being pushed deliberately by a group of 4 to 5 people. Witnesses said that the door of the car was open and that no one pushed or hit Mamata. Witnesses' account is also corroborated by the footage from this area where Mamata was present at the time of this alleged attack. The visuals show her sitting in this particular car which passes through the crowd without being interrupted by anyone. Cops also visible in the footage in contradiction to what Mamata Banerjee has claimed about them not being around.
मैंने देखा उसने जब अहमदाबाद रोड से आया था उसके बाद उनको देखने के लिए सारी जनता जड़ हो गई से उसने उन्हें निकालने के समय उसमें सभी घिरने देखने के लिए घिर गए। उस समय उनके चोट लग गई गले में और पैर में।
सब उनको घेर कर खड़े हुए थे
हाँ, देखने के लिए खड़े हुए थे मेनली।
दरवाजे में किसी ने धक्के देने की जो
नहीं उस धक्के तो नहीं दिए,
लेकिन घेर के खड़े हुए थे। मैंने जब गाड़ी में रनिंग अवस्था में स्लोली चल रहा था उसके
পোস্ট ওখানে ছিলাম। উনি এসে হাত জোড় করে আসছে, এসে উনি হচ্ছে দরজা খোলা আছে আর গেটের সামনে বসে থেকে উনি হাত জোড় করে আসছে আর ওই পোস্টার যে আছে পোস্টারে দরজা লেগে গেছে আর দরজা এসে লেগে এখানে লেগেছে আর পাতে লেগেছে, এই পরিষ্কার। আর কেউ কোনো ঠেলেও নি মারেও নি, ডাইরেক্ট বেরিয়ে গেছে। না, দরজার কাছে কেউ ছিল না।
दरवाजा तो आधा खोला है और आधा बॉडी ऐसे करके नमस्ते कर रहा है सबको। तो ऐसे करते करते अचानक वो वहाँ एक खंबा लगा हुआ, तो हो सकता है ड्राइवर उसको देखा नहीं, ये खंबा सामने है तो वो खंबा में दरवाजा लग के एक पैर ऐसे करके है और दरवाजा लगा, बंद हुआ, पैर में चोट लगा। माता जी का एक मंदिर है, वहाँ जाने के लिए उसको ये था तो सब आदमी वही बुलाया था जो आप चलिए एक बार मंदिर, वहाँ दर्शन कर लेगा, पूजा भी कर लेगा, सब कुछ हो जाएगा। लेकिन अचानक ये घटना हो गया।
That's a big talking point, but the big question here really is on whether this was actually a conspiracy or was it staged, managed drama? That's the question that everybody is asking right now. The TMC, of course, talking about the fact that this was a conspiracy to hurt her. BJP says that, well, at least some leaders are saying that this was in fact staged, managed. Injury is because of a huge crowd or political opponents. So whose caused the hurt is the big question. Was there security present when Mamata got injured? There are different views on that as well. Will the alleged attack help Mamata gain sympathy given the fact that she was in fact filing a nomination from Nandigram? Will this be that one sympathy factor that's going to in fact work in favor of Mamata Banerjee? My colleague Surya Agni is getting us more details on that story. Surya Agni, you know, what's also interesting is that footage, essentially, and we're playing that out for our viewers right here, that shows, if you just move a little ahead, that there was, in fact, police presence also. A lot of the eyewitness accounts talk about the fact that in fact, the car went and hit a pole, essentially. No one really pushed her. But TMC continues to say that this was an attack against Didi, isn't it?
Well, you know, there are different viewpoints of this one incident that happened at this exact spot at Birulia in Nandigram, Sneha. What we need to understand is that the allegations that have been done are done by the Chief Minister of the state herself. She has stated that, she has alleged rather, that while she was at this spot yesterday at around 6:40-ish, she was, pushed by a few men. And this is the exact spot which we are talking about. However, there are a few people over here who have on record stated something contrary to it. They have stated that the car's door hit this particular pole. This is something that a few people that we even spoke to have claimed. Now, whether or not that is the truth or whether or not that is a part of what they saw is something extremely, extremely debatable, because only a fair probe can answer all
Yes.
these questions, and maybe that is the reason why the ECI has asked for a fair probe and they want a report by the Friday. There are different versions. We still do not know which one is the accurate one. Allegations, when they come from a sitting chief minister, especially when her name is Mamata Banerjee, you cannot take them lightly. We know that how heavy this political battle is right now,
That's
the seat
right.
of Nandigram, and maybe that is the reason why, to exactly know what happened at 6:40 yesterday night over here at this exact spot at Birulia Bazaar in Nandigram.
Okay.
Only a fair probe will be able to answer all these questions, because as of yet, these are all
Yes, Surya.
dimensions or, viewpoints of the incident that happened last night. Only a fair probe by the
That's
ECI.
right. A
will
fair
be-
probe, obviously, and the ECI is looking into the matter. Thanks for the moment, Surya Agne. Meanwhile, a full-blown political war of words has erupted over the attack claim made by Mamata Banerjee in Nandigram. The TMC is up in arms, alleging lack of security detail around Mamata is the main reason really behind this attack, and called the incident a conspiracy. The BJP has called this incident a staged drama to gain sympathy of voters. BJP's Bengal co-in-charge Amit Malviya called it a stunt to win Nandigram. Amid this, BJP MP Swapan Das Gupta has said that in case there is a threat to the Chief Minister's life, the Home Ministry is ready to give additional protection. Meanwhile, chorus among leaders across party lines grows, demanding a thorough investigation into this incident. The Election Commission, remember, has sought a report from the West Bengal Chief Secretary also on this incident.
How can a highly protected person like this be left unattended by the security? Her security is an administration that she was presiding over for the last 10 years. So if a claim of this sort has been made, then the question must be raised of her security. And the Election Commission in its report will perhaps look at all these aspects.
मुझे भी चिंता हो रही है, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? जेड प्लस सिक्योरिटी के साथ घूमने वाली एक चीफ मिनिस्टर, उनको चोट लग जाता है, क्या कर रहे थे उनके सुरक्षाकर्मी? या तो फिर क्या मतलब होता है जेड कैटेगरी का? सुरक्षा के बारे में चिंता किया जाए, इसकी इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए।
नंदीग्राम में उनके लिए मुश्किलें बढ़ रहे हैं, तो अब उन्होंने ये सोचा कि अभी एक नोटंकी की ज़रूरत है, ये पखंडी की ज़रूरत होते हैं, तो इसलिए पखंड किया जाता है, क्योंकि बंगाल के ममता बनर्जी से ममता बनर्जी नहीं है, बंगाल के मुख्यमंत्री भी है और पुलिस मंत्री भी है। लेकिन तज्जुब की बात ये होती है कि जब उन पे हमला होती है, उस समय कोई पुलिस वाले वहाँ आजू बाजू में नहीं रहते।
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.